This is the first generation of the Leaf, and a lot of people ask, where is the spare tire for this car? The spare tire for this car is non-existent. So Nissan didn't put the spare tire in these vehicles, in this generation of the Leaf, and just put the repair kit, the tire repair kit. The problem is that I strongly recommend against using that repair kit, because when you repair your tire with this kit, you will most likely need to replace the TPMS sensor first of all, and then probably you will also need to replace the tire, because after that sealant that is in that repair kit, you will not be able to repair the tire properly, and it will be bad. You will not be able to use it. So you will need to replace the tire. For example, if it's a front tire, let's say it's front left, you will need to replace the front left. But since this tire will be new and that tire on that side will not be new, you will probably also need to replace that tire. So using that sealant, using that repair kit may be very expensive for you, because you will need to replace that at least one TPMS sensor and at least one tire, but probably two tires. So the best solution would be to buy a donut spare tire if you own this car, a donut spare tire and a jack, because this car doesn't even have a jack. So something like this.